We know how important it is to be able to hire faster, smarter, and with more control. As your outsourcing partner, Teamified helps businesses hire in days, not weeks, with AI-powered matching. And it's not just speed. You can save up to 70% on labor costs. We handpick the right talent on skill, experience, and cultural fit. Introducing the Teamified platform, powered by AI to transform the way you hire. Our platform gives you full control into recruitment, team management, and performance tracking. Everything you need, all in one place. Let's take a closer look at some of Teamified's AI-powered platform features. Using our job request feature, you can set custom criteria to ensure the perfect match for your roles. Set your preferred location, work setup preference, and expected joining date. You'll also see the average monthly cost per role up front, so there are no surprises. Automatically generate detailed job descriptions, saving you time on writing them out. Set your availability, then candidates book straight into your available slots. AI generates pre-interview questions for the candidate and provides helpful written feedback, as well as a streamlined rating for quick evaluation. AI rates candidates and gives you detailed feedback based on their strengths and areas to improve. Once the interview is complete, the AI generates a detailed summary and transcript, allowing you to easily revisit the conversation. Bring back past candidates based on previous interviews, matching them with new roles that fit. Let's explore Teamified's powerful team management and performance tracking tools. Manage your team with ease, with organized control of approvals, leave requests, and timesheets. Boost productivity and engagement with the Performance Pulse feature. Drive performance with instant feedback and recognition. Plus, you'll always stay on top of your invoices. Teamified handles all the onboarding steps, from contracts to equipment and software access. Teamified makes building high-performing teams across the globe fast, simple, and reliable, so you can focus on growth and market success. Join hundreds of businesses already transforming how they outsource. Start hiring faster, smarter, and with more control today. With Teamified.